Think a dead battery is just an inconvenience? Think again. That silent Tineco vacuum on your charging dock could be a disaster waiting to happen. If your Tineco compact cordless vacuum is completely unresponsive and won't charge, you're likely facing a low voltage error caused by a faulty battery. This is a known issue for this model, where the internal battery cells fail, rendering your entire vacuum useless. Ignoring it means your high-tech cleaning assistant is now just an expensive decoration. You can't clean, you can't charge, and it's certainly not going to fix itself. And what's the alternative? Trying a DIY fix on a volatile lithium battery? That's a risky gamble that can cause further damage. Before you risk it, let the experts at Robocare handle the danger. Our technicians are experts on the Tineco no power issue and have serviced hundreds of these models. We don't guess, we diagnose. Using professional-grade multimeters and diagnostic tools, we confirm the battery has fallen below its critical voltage, which is why it can't respond or take a charge. Our solution is a full professional Tineco battery replacement. We carefully install a genuine battery, ensuring this vacuum's performance and safety. We make sure every connection is perfect, but we believe in showing, not just telling. Now we'll show you the results. And just like that, it's back. With professional diagnostics and a genuine battery replacement, we restore full power and function. We make sure every Tineco runs like new. This Tineco is more powerful than ever and ready for anything. Is your vacuum cleaner on the fritz? Contact Robocare today.